From the icy plains of Antarctica to the heart of the Amazon rainforest, birds are a constant presence in our world. They fill our skies with color, serenade us with their songs, and captivate us with their aerial acrobatics. But behind these familiar sights and sounds lies a world of hidden complexity. For centuries, we humans have underestimated the intelligence and ingenuity of our feathered friends. We've marveled at their beauty, yet failed to grasp the true extent of their abilities. But now, thanks to the groundbreaking work of scientists around the globe, we're finally beginning to unlock the secrets of the avian world. Did you know birds can see the Earth's magnetic field? Or that some birds are as smart as 5-year-old humans? In this video, I'm about to blow your mind with bird facts so incredible, you'll never look at these feathered creatures the same way again. Get ready to have your preconceptions challenged as we delve into the astonishing world of avian intelligence, sensory perception, and evolutionary marvels. Stay till the end to learn how science is rewriting everything we thought we knew about birds. For centuries, humans have relied on compasses to navigate the vast expanse of our planet, using the Earth's magnetic field as our guide. But what if I told you that birds have their own built-in compass, one that allows them to see this invisible force? Recent studies have revealed that birds possess a special protein in their eyes called cryptochrome. This remarkable protein is sensitive to magnetic fields, acting like a microscopic compass needle within the bird's eye. Imagine being able to perceive the Earth's magnetic field as a tangible visual pattern. This magnetic sense is crucial for birds, especially those that undertake long migrations. It's their internal GPS, guiding them across continents and oceans with astonishing precision. These discoveries offer us a glimpse into the sensory world of these remarkable creatures. Their magnetic sense is so finely tuned that they can detect minute variations in the Earth's magnetic field, allowing them to follow the same migratory routes with incredible accuracy. So, the next time you reach for your smartphone for directions, consider the humble bird, navigating the world with an innate sense that we can only marvel at. We often think of architecture as a uniquely human endeavor, a testament to our intelligence and creativity. But what if I told you that the avian world is teeming with architects of extraordinary skill, crafting intricate structures that rival the works of human hands? From the soaring cathedrals of termite mounds built by sociable weavers to the delicate suspended nests of hummingbirds, birds demonstrate an innate understanding of structural engineering and material science. Their nests are not merely haphazard piles of twigs and leaves, but carefully constructed homes designed to provide shelter, safety, and the perfect environment for raising their young. Consider the weaver bird, painstakingly weaving each blade of grass into its intricately woven nest, or the tailor bird using its beak as a needle to stitch leaves together, creating a cradle for its eggs. These are not the actions of simple creatures acting on instinct alone. They are the hallmarks of skilled artisans, demonstrating a level of precision and ingenuity that belies their small size. The architectural achievements of birds extend far beyond the construction of their nests. Some species, like the palm cockatoo, even craft their own tools using sticks and seed pods as drumsticks to attract mates. This remarkable behavior demonstrates a level of problem-solving and tool use that was once thought to be the exclusive domain of primates. If a bird, with its beak and feathers, can master the art of weaving, stitching, and even tool use to create such remarkable structures, what's our excuse for not organizing our rooms or tackling that DIY project we've been putting off? The next time you marvel at a feat of human engineering, take a moment to appreciate the avian architects of the world. Their ingenuity and resourcefulness serve as a powerful reminder that intelligence takes many forms, and that the natural world is full of surprises for those willing to look closely. Chapter 4. The Genius of Crows. In the animal kingdom, intelligence takes many forms. We've long been captivated by the problem-solving abilities of apes and dolphins, but there's another group of feathered thinkers deserving of our admiration: crows. These remarkable birds, with their sharp eyes and even sharper minds, have repeatedly demonstrated an uncanny ability to solve complex puzzles. Their intelligence, it seems, rivals that of some of our closest primate relatives. Scientists have observed crows engaging in a fascinating array of problem-solving behaviors. From crafting tools to retrieve food from difficult-to-reach places to recognizing individual human faces, Their cognitive abilities are truly impressive. In one remarkable experiment, crows were presented with a puzzle box containing a tasty treat. With remarkable speed and dexterity, they learned to manipulate the various latches and levers, successfully accessing the reward within. Such feats of ingenuity are not limited to the laboratory setting. In the wild, crows have been observed dropping nuts onto busy roads, waiting patiently for passing cars to crack them open. This ingenious use of their environment as a tool speaks volumes about their capacity for abstract thought and planning. It's clear that crows possess a remarkable form of intelligence, one that has allowed them to thrive in a wide range of habitats around the globe. Their remarkable cognitive abilities have led some scientists to suggest that crows may even possess a rudimentary form of consciousness. While the full extent of their mental capacities remains a subject of ongoing research, one thing is certain: these feathered geniuses continue to challenge our understanding of the animal mind. Recent studies have shown that crows possess a level of intelligence on par with a 5-year-old human child. They can recognize themselves in a mirror, a feat of self-awareness once thought to be exclusive to humans, and a handful of other highly intelligent species. They can also plan for the future, caching food in hidden locations and remembering where they stored it, days or even weeks later. This impressive memory capacity is not limited to simple spatial awareness. Crows have also been shown to remember the faces of individual humans, even after years of separation. In fact, they seem to be particularly adept at recognizing human faces that have been associated with negative experiences, such as those who have harassed them in the past. This remarkable ability to distinguish friend from foe has likely played a crucial role in their survival, allowing them to avoid danger and exploit opportunities in human-dominated landscapes. But perhaps the most intriguing aspect of crow intelligence is their ability to communicate and learn from one another. Young crows learn by observing their elders, mimicking their problem-solving techniques and social cues. This cultural transmission of knowledge allows them to adapt to changing environments and develop complex social structures. Imagine if these avian Einsteins could text back. What fascinating insights into their world might they reveal? Would we discover a complex language, rich with nuance and expression? Or perhaps we would find a society governed by intricate rules and hierarchies, much like our own. The possibilities are as vast and intriguing as the crows themselves. Chapter 5. Feather colors aren't just about pigments. The avian world is a dazzling spectacle of color. From the vibrant scarlet of a cardinal to the iridescent emerald of a hummingbird, birds flaunt a breathtaking array of hues. But these colors, far from being mere decorations, serve a multitude of purposes, from camouflage and communication to attracting mates. And while some bird colors are indeed produced by pigments, others are the result of a far more fascinating phenomenon: structural coloration. Unlike pigments, which absorb certain wavelengths of light and reflect others, structural colors are created by the way light interacts with the physical structure of a bird's feathers. Tiny microscopic structures within the feathers scatter and reflect light in specific ways, producing the shimmering, iridescent colors we see. These structures, often arranged in complex layers and patterns, act like miniature prisms, splitting light into its constituent colors. The result is a dazzling display of color that shifts and changes depending on the angle of light and the observer's position. This dynamic quality makes structural colors particularly striking and is thought to play a crucial role in avian communication and mate selection. The iridescent throat feathers of a hummingbird, for example, can appear brilliant red or emerald green depending on the angle of the sun, signaling the bird's health and vigor to potential mates. Structural colors are not unique to birds. They are also found in a wide range of other organisms, from butterflies to beetles to fish. But birds, with their intricate feather structures, have truly mastered the art of manipulating light, producing some of the most vibrant and diverse colors in the natural world. The brilliant colors produced by structural coloration have captivated scientists and engineers for decades. The intricate nanostructures within bird feathers, honed by millions of years of evolution, offer a tantalizing glimpse into the possibilities of biomimicry. By studying these natural photonic crystals, researchers hope to unlock the secrets to creating new materials with enhanced optical properties. Imagine, for instance, paints that never fade, their vibrancy undimmed by time or exposure to the elements, or perhaps ultra-efficient solar panels inspired by the light-harvesting structures found in bird feathers. These are just a few of the potential applications of this burgeoning field of research. The study of structural coloration is not merely an exercise in biomimicry. it also offers profound insights into the evolution of avian communication and sexual selection. The intricate feather structures responsible for these dazzling displays are the result of countless generations of natural selection, with females often favoring males with the most brilliant and elaborate plumage. So, the next time you marvel at the iridescent feathers of a hummingbird or the shimmering tail of a peacock, remember that you are witnessing not just the beauty of nature, but also the power of evolution and the boundless potential of bio-inspired design. Birds have hacked light itself, manipulating it in ways that continue to inspire and amaze us. What's your superpower? Chapter 6. Nocturnal birds have night vision, in color. As darkness descends, most creatures retreat, but nocturnal birds thrive. Owls and nightjars navigate the night with enhanced vision. Their large eyes gather more light, packed with sensitive rods. Surprisingly, they may also see in color, even in low light. This color vision helps them hunt and avoid predators. Their world is filled with subtle hues and contrasts. Owls capture the hidden beauty of the nocturnal world. Their silent flight and keen vision make them master hunters. These birds reveal the secrets of the night. From the robin's delicate blue sphere to the ostrich's massive chalky orb, bird eggs come in a dazzling array of shapes and sizes. For centuries, these variations have puzzled naturalists and scientists alike. Why are some eggs elongated while others are more spherical? Could there be a method to this seemingly random variation? Recent research suggests that the answer lies not in the nest, but in the sky. A 2017 study published in the journal Science revealed a fascinating correlation between the shape of a bird's egg and its flight efficiency. It appears that evolution has sculpted these fragile vessels to optimize not only the development of the chick within, but also the aerodynamic prowess of the parent who carries it. The study's authors analyzed the eggs of over 1,400 bird species, meticulously measuring their asymmetry and ellipticity. They then compared these measurements to the bird's hand-wing index, a measure of their wing shape and flight efficiency. To their astonishment, they discovered a clear pattern. Birds that were strong, long-distance flyers tended to lay more asymmetrical or elliptical eggs. This finding suggests that the constraints of flight, particularly the need to maintain a streamlined body shape for long journeys, have exerted a powerful selective pressure on egg shape. In essence, birds that lay more aerodynamic eggs are likely to be more successful in their long migrations, ensuring the survival of their offspring and the continuation of their lineage. The link between egg shape and flight efficiency is a captivating example of the intricate connections that govern the natural world. But how does this theory hold up when we consider birds that have abandoned the skies for a life at sea? Penguins, with their waddling gait and powerful flippers, present a fascinating test case. You might imagine that penguins, being flightless birds, would lay perfectly round eggs, freed from the aerodynamic constraints of flight. However, the reality is quite different. Penguin eggs, while not as elongated as those of some migratory birds, are still distinctly asymmetrical. This observation at first glance might seem to contradict the theory linking egg shape to flight. However, upon closer examination, the shape of a penguin egg reveals a subtle ingenuity. Penguins, despite their flightlessness, are incredibly powerful swimmers, often undertaking long journeys across vast stretches of ocean. Their streamlined bodies and powerful flippers propel them through the water with remarkable efficiency. And it is this aquatic lifestyle that holds the key to understanding their egg shape. The asymmetrical shape of a penguin egg, although less pronounced than that of a migratory bird, may still offer a subtle hydrodynamic advantage, allowing the parent to carry the egg on its feet with minimal drag as it swims. This adaptation, though small, could be crucial in the unforgiving environment where these remarkable birds make their home. The dawn chorus, a symphony of birdsong, is one of nature's most enchanting spectacles. Birds sing in regional dialects, much like humans with accents. These dialects are passed down through generations, showcasing social learning. Birds recognize and respond to their own dialects, influencing mate choice. This cultural transmission highlights the complexity of avian communication. The diversity in bird songs is a testament to their adaptability and intelligence. From the forest canopy to urban parks, birds continue to amaze us with their vocal prowess. From the precision of their eggs to the intricate dialects of their songs, the avian world is replete with examples of ingenuity and adaptation that continue to astound and inspire. For too long, we have underestimated the intelligence and complexity of birds, dismissing them as simple creatures driven solely by instinct, but science is revealing a very different story. A story of remarkable cognitive abilities, intricate social structures, and a capacity for innovation that rivals that of our closest primate relatives. Perhaps it is time we shed our anthropocentric bias and embrace a new perspective on our feathered friends, one that recognizes their true place in the grand tapestry of life. The next time you encounter a bird, take a moment to observe its behavior, listen to its song, and marvel at its intricate beauty. For within these remarkable creatures lies a hidden world of wonder, a testament to the boundless creativity of evolution and the enduring power of nature. Let us strive to understand and protect these feathered marvels, for in doing so we enrich our own lives and ensure that the symphony of birdsong continues to grace our planet for generations to come. As we uncover the hidden genius of our feathered friends, we hope you've been inspired by their remarkable abilities and intricate beauty. If you enjoyed this journey into the avian world, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Your support helps us continue to explore and share the wonders of nature. Together, let's celebrate and protect the incredible diversity of life on our planet. Thank you for watching.